1965 Plymouth Barracuda Sport Hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Hypo 273 V8 underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic transmission, power brakes, factory AC car. A lot of the original paperwork is going to come with this car. I'll get into that in a little bit. First of all, let's take a look at the bright work, chrome up front, grille. Rotisserie restoration. It is an older restoration, so paint does show its age a little bit. Chrome's not perfect. Check out the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there if you're watching on YouTube. Just look down the description. There's a link. Click on it. Number to call, 507-386-1726. Riding on Krager SS chrome wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Little spot that's been touched up right there. And the fender to the passenger door has had a repaint to red during the time of restoration. Quite a bit of original paperwork will come with this too. I see that there's a window sticker if you want to see exactly how it's equipped. The build sheet that was found during restoration. Letter to the original owner. This vehicle was sold new, Alabama, and it went to Texas before being restored. That is the original carburetor, according to a letter from one of the previous owners. Believed to be the original engine in it, as well as transmission when it was restored. There's a binder of photos, so there is some photos of the rotisserie restoration. Check with your sales consultant when you call in or email. Interior black vinyl bucket seats. Of course, this rear seat will fold forward. There's a storage compartment behind that, as well as a trunk. You get both in this one. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. I did notice the taillights seem to stay on. There is a battery disconnect. I would undo that so your battery doesn't go dead. I did pull the brake pedal all the way back and kind of played around with the blinker switch and stuff, but I didn't get those to go off. So note that if you're interested in purchasing this vehicle. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Barracudas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you might see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. We do sell a few of these Barracudas from time to time. Always a popular car here. And as you can see up and down the driver's side, paint looks nice. A few touch-up spots. You're going to have that with a car that's a little older restoration that's been driven some. Then I did notice a little bit of pitting back here I wanted to show you on that rear bumper. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior a little closer. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Rear vinyl seats are good. Don't notice any rips, tears, holes. Front ones, pretty stock looking dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Headlights working order. Have had the blower fan working. AM radio works. It works like an older AM radio though. A little finicky on getting a station in, but I did have the AM radio working. If I can catch one here or not.
Motivated person.
There it is. You can hear it.
Someone that is passionate about helping our sales teams grow.
Oh, headliner. Looks good. Dome light's working. Door closes nicely. Sounds good. Again, high performance 273 V8 underneath the hood. And that is what would have came with this vehicle when it was new. And like I said, according to the gentleman that restored this car, believed to be original engine. Let me go ahead and pause this. We're going to peek at that engine bay. Then stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Here's a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. Looks like a newer master cylinder and booster. You'll be able to see the data tag or the fender tag and the still pictures as well as the VIN tag. Appears the AC has been converted. Nice and tidy, clean looking engine bay. 1965 Plymouth Barracuda Sport. Hard top, call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's a 1965 Plymouth Barracuda. The first generation Barracuda in red. And we do have a steering wheel cover on that kind of goes well with the red and black motif, but you can take that off. Underneath is a beige factory steering wheel. This gives it a little bit more grip, so I left it on for the video. This is an automatic right here on a center console. Vinyl bucket seat car. Our speedometer is working well. Now we have a fuel gauge from the factory that's reading empty, and underneath the dash is another fuel gauge, but that needle has not moved. The temperature gauges also are both at cold, so those are likely not functioning. The alternator gauge is working, showing charging above half on the gauge, as it should. The other thing that's working great is the factory AM radio.
The average rube might think the Eagles are something special, but some of us know better.
And it sounds good. Blower motor working as it should. Large vent selection under the dash to aim wherever you would like. The wipers also function on this car. Nice road manners. This car starts and idles nicely. Our brakes are smooth. I believe that clunk was a seat belt in the back. Sorry about that. Corners as you would expect. A small car from the 60s to corner. We have extra speakers mounted on the floor, and it does have some good sound. The headliner looking great. The dash looks pretty good too. Our turn signal works both directions. A very clean 65 Cuda, a car you're not seeing very many of. In a good color, red and black. Take a look at all the pictures and learn everything you want to know about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.